latte for the first time in like a year. Pretty good. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's go out on the street.
We out here.
We out here along the Columbia River Gorge. My step cousin Vincent picked us up and now we're just kind of like waterfall hunting. You see that? They're so pretty. So pretty. Alright, we're gonna stop by Multnomah Falls and a bunch of different ones. So
We're excited.
yeah. Bunch of waterfalls. They were amazing.
Beautiful.
Multnomah Falls. We hiked down a little bit to like the log
We like
that's
had
down
to
there.
hop the like fence thing.
Yeah, and we got chased by a park ranger, but
Totally worth it. Like we
yeah,
didn't
worth
get in
it.
trouble.
We didn't get a ticket.
Yeah.
It wouldn't have been worth it if we got a ticket. But
Yeah.
the ranger was nice. Just a little annoyed that we're
He's
so
kinda like
dumb.
this, but yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, you know, you should have done it.
Yeah, we're at Brewery right now, and there's a really cool bridge and a dock that we might try to hike down to. But yeah, we'll insert some clips. Right now I'm gonna drink coffee. Currently 3:40. Yeah, wait. Oh, thank you.
Fun.
Thank you so much.
Be happy, be safe,
You're
stay
awesome.
clean.
Thank you.